Hello and welcome to the Cinch Lap Time Challenge, where today we're kicking things off with 3 stars from Crystal Palace Women.
Ready to rock and roll?
Good luck, Elise. Love you.
Elise, good luck.
Okay, when you're ready, off we go.
Look at her face, this is so serious. She was like, yeah, I'm about to win this race. That was a look.
Are you trash talking now?
Yeah, I am.
So just a bit of brake, turn the wheel and power. That's it. You straight line this bit and then you stay to the left on the entry. And then brake, and then turn the wheel and on the power. Very good, very good. Really, really good.
Get it out.
Really good.
Oh, she looks quick.
Hard brake and turn the wheel and off the brake onto the power. Spot on. Spot on. That's really good. Okay, right. Use all the track, remember.
Elise might come in, you know.
She will. I think she'll win.
Really?
As long as you don't win,
Okay.
then I'm fine.
That's nice, isn't it? I love my teammates.
It's really good. It's really, really good. You're going to get it turned in and then you're going to stamp on the brake. Stamp on the brake now. That's it. Harder, harder. Hard on the brake. Stay hard on the brake. Stay on the brake. And off the brake. And now turn the wheel. Now straighten that wheel. That's it. Perfect. 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 Keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Whoa. Whoa.
Before that was really good. Ready? Whenever you're ready. Oh no, that's reverse. Can you reposition this again, Harry?
No! No! You are an embarrassment!
It was my fault, I didn't check. It's my fault.
You can't come back from that.
Whenever you're
Let's
ready.
just get this over and done with. Ready?
Okay. Whenever you're ready. You're in drive.
Are you sure?
Here we go.
Oh god, that's hilarious.
Oh, that was the best thing I've ever seen. None of your other drivers are going to do that.
No, never. Only Blanche.
Keep on the path, let it go wide in your birds. Stay wide and brake and turn and back on the power. That's it, perfect. And then brake. Brake, turn and a bit. Oh yeah, that's it, power. Yeah.
She's got a bit of confidence now. She's going for it.
And hard on the brakes, really hard. Now turn, that's it, really lovely. And brake, and then power. Perfect, really good. Stay to the right. This is rapid. Don't come off the accelerator. Foot to the floor. Turn more, and when you see the exit forward, go. That's it. Run to the exit. Really good. Now you're going to brake really hard in here. Remember. Back. Hard on the brakes. Turn, and that's it. Power, and now straighten that wheel up. And keep the floor, that's it, foot to the floor. This is a great lap.
Sam, that was horrendous.
Foot to the floor. Yeah. Bam, you did it.
Yes,
You're checking herself in the mirror.
She's not. She's looking at me.
Whenever you're ready. Right, remember Izzy, that's it. Okay, stay on the left. You know what you're doing, but just a tiny bit of brake this time.
Oh, she's looking quick.
Straight on the power, that's it. This is perfect. Run wide. Spot on. Stay on the power. Straight line it. Brake hard and turn. Perfect. Really good.
She looks quick.
Turn, off brake, power. Did you feel the backslide?
I did.
That's good. Stay on the power. That's it. On the accelerator all the way, run wide. Don't come off that power. Perfect, yes. Keep the power, It's fine, you've got loads of room, so much space. Turn it in, when you can see the exit, you're going to start feeding the power on now. That's it, you're going to run wide, doesn't matter, use that exit, use the exit. Really good. That's it, brake harder, and now turn the wheel, and now power. That's it, floor it. This is a really good lap. Stay on the power, don't come off the power. I want you to push that into the carpet, all the way. Flipping rocket.
So this is it. What an amazing way to kick off our lap time challenge. 3 very, very competitive drivers, all naturals as well. I'm very surprised about how close these times are. Who's feeling most confident?
Yeah.
Oh, but All that matters is what's in my hand.
Can't.
God, I never felt so powerful. This is great. Okay, so in third place, and still having done an excellent lap, like a really, really, really good lap, to the extent where I was like, I don't even know where that's going to go. It's Izzy. But Izzy, it was very, very close between you and...
Honestly, if you call my name second, I've won. Like, I don't care because how much you give me all day.
What can we say?
Oh my god, the day's complete.
The
Oh my
stopwatch.
god.
The stopwatch doesn't lie. But it was very, very close. It was so close, in fact, that just a 10th of a second separated Annabel. If I can actually put this on the thing. 10th of a second, which means our winner for today. Our winner for today is Elise. By name and by nature, apparently. Well done.
Elise.
Well done.
2 seconds, girls.
But a 10th of a second. Poor result. Well done, Izzy. You did fantastically well. Can I shake everyone's hand? Oh, my God.
Oh, that is terrible.
I'll shake your hand.
Sam, thank you for a brilliant day. Sorry about her.
Thank you so
Guys,
much. Oh god, that's actually...
I'm so embarrassed for you, seriously.
All right, so that's it. We've got our top 3 on our cinch lap time leaderboard. And these are our top 3 on the actual leaderboard, but only for now, because we have many more guests coming up, many more stars in the immediate pipeline. But for now, this is our top 3.
Well done, Izzy, for making the top 3. Oh, I cinched it.